So this bed is full of weeds and rocks. We're gonna take all this rock out, put new fabric in, new rock. We're trimming the fence line up, so we're gonna trim all this. We're cleaning out all the those beautiful hydrangeas this morning. But we're cleaning out all the weeds, putting down our fabric, adding rock, and taking some rock out. So we're gonna weed first, take the rock out second, put some fabric down third, and do it over. Very big landscape project. So we're taking out all the weeds, fabric. We gotta get all the rock out of here. All the way. Thanks guys, have a good one. We're gonna go get them.
Thanks, mister. Appreciate you.
Thanks, Bob.
Hey,
have a good day.
Cool. What am I going to be on a
one of your
YouTube?
YouTube home videos.
Yeah. Bob's the man.
Saturday over here with Ian, just looking at the phenomenal work.
Amen.
I give him 5 stars.
Heck yeah. Thanks, Bob.
Right on.
All right, we're all done on Barnes Lake. 5 days. This is the final.
Oh, looks really good.
Thanks, Mark.
Yeah, the front.
Do you like it, Margaret?
I like it. I love it.
Yeah.